So hi guys, this is Pranav. So I'm going to take a class about erosion and weathering. So weathering is mainly happening in I found out. Weathering is happening in mainly rocks. So as I already told you, the tectonic plates over here. What's happening? Tectonic plates are crashing of the convergent boundary, and the convection current is also making the tectonic plates move. Next, this huge rock is formed. So, do you guess what I'm saying about? It's always about hoodoos. So when this tectonic plates crash, there would be a small hill type flat rock, and when the season change like this, when rainy season come, the rain would come. So when the rain comes, what happens? So I know you guessed it already. So when the rain comes, there will be some holes over here and piles of water stack. This will make the rock expand and contract. Expand and contract. Not contract, actually expand. Next, when summer opens, this frozen water will be heated up. This will make it contract. Not the water, but also the rock. So slowly this will make the rock make windows, then arches, then some small rocks and disappear. So this small rocks is called hoodoos. Yes. So now we will go to a different topic. It's called sea stacks. So first in sea stack, what would happen? Do you guess? Okay. So these sea stacks will look like huge ships under the water. So see, this is the water, huge hills, and next one, these waves from the water hit this rock. This will take small sediments from the rock. So this is called erosion. So this will take small sediments from the rock as it breaks the rock like this, then this, and nothing over here. So when it's in the middle stage, it's called a sea stack. It's in the process of erosion. It will not be the same after thousands or billions of years, and it was not the same before crores of years. This process is too much slow that it may take trillions of years too. So next we will be going with yadangs. So this is something new for you to hear, but something which you have mostly seen. If you go to dry places and some strange standing rocks, it's called a yadang. Yes. Wait, let me take my crayon. So what happens is, first these yadangs will be like this. Okay. Now this wind. Till now we saw this natural force of water reacting. But now we will be seeing this natural force wind reacting. If you see a yadang ever, just see its shape. It will be carved by wind like we are carving the rocks into our gods or something or stuff. So this is the yadang, and slowly this wind will take the sediments at the sea stacks. They'll slowly become half, and the stronger rocks will remain. Inside the stronger rocks will be softer rocks that will also remain because it's inside the layer of the strong rocks. So it's now experiment the time, what you do is, I know you all have refrigerator. Okay, let me take my crayon once more. So just open the refrigerator into the freezer. Put some plastic bottle or ghee bottle filled with water. Next day, take it out. When you take it out, what happens? Water will be frozen. Next, if you want to do this, do it, or else don't do it. I am doing it, but little candle with little fire. Should be too much careful. So this suddenly ice will just be melted. Yes, as you can see the difference. This has expanded, and again when you heat it will be contracted. No need to even heat. Just keep it in the sunlight for a while. Yes. So I think that's all for today, and I'll be showing you this in another app, the real experiment done by Pranav. Yeah, so that's all for today. Then let me see you next time. Bye bye.